welcome to another video from the farm. Today's a special one for us. We finally hit 5,000 subscribers. It's a windy one, but I'll do my best. So firstly then, thank you to every single one of you that's become a subscriber of ours. I know there's at least a couple of hundred of you that watch our videos regularly now, so thanks a bunch, and hope you continue to enjoy them. So this last week's been a bit of a mad one for us because of this whole coronavirus situation. So we've been prepping the farm, been a bit quiet on the YouTube and social media front, but what we've gone and done is we've got in 50 rosemaries, lots of fence posts, and we've also had a giant pile of wood chip delivered. So we're in perfect sunshine, and I don't know if you can see, but we've got tiny bits of snow falling because it's that cold. It's kind of like a cross between hail and snow. Look, there's a tiny little flake. So today then, we're finishing off the first half of our market garden by putting down all our wood chip. So we managed to get all this wood chip off a local farm. They actually take all of the fallen trees and lots of lumber from tree surgeons and whatnot, turn it into this chip, and then power their farm's heating facilities with it. So basically then, we've got bone dry hard wood chippings because of that, because they keep it all in a massive dry store. It's perfectly dry, it's all cured. This should last us years. So first things first, we'll crack out the little tractor with a small loader on the front, which is about 2 or 3 barrows worth at a time, and we'll get some wood chip moved. Tractor work, Stu's already been cracking on. As you can see, we're getting at least 4 inches, if not 6 inches in most places, down on the top. Working in one direction, pressing the grass down as we go a bit, and covering it over. Fingers crossed we're getting on grow through. On filling these big plasterers buckets, doing it between the beds, and I'm going to take the barrow, do all the bulk wide paths around the edge. As you can see since the last video, we've also taken out this windbreak almost to the end behind the blueberries. Now I've done this because I've realised in the heavy winds, as you can see, the backs of these plants are all bare now. This has stripped all the little buds off. So fingers crossed, now we've taken that down, next year we'll get a full bush as thick as this on the backside too. As you can see over here, we've also successfully moved the ski from its position where we were painting it to all the way down here. And then in front of it, we've put rabbit wire all the way to the end and all the way around the entire market garden area. So whilst I've been shifting stuff over with the tractor, Stu's been cracking on. He's pretty much got through most of this pile I dropped over here, and we've got quite a few of these done now. We're over halfway, so we'll crack on with this pile. while Stu's doing a little bit more of the chippings, I have been taking these off these old fence posts and then unwrapping the barbed wire out of our old windbreak so we can get it all packed down and fully removed from the middle. Now we're moving it out of this middle area here, as I said, because it's damaging these blueberries, as well as we're going to put one around the entire perimeter, so we won't really need one in the middle as well. So we've got her done. Doesn't she look nice? We've got 11 beds over here. We've got 4 standard no-dig beds over there, and then we've got 2 semi-stout method beds which are made from straw bales and compost. And then we've got our raspberries in. It's a good half of the market garden started now. So we've got those 2 far beds planted with garlic. Probably going to plant these other 2 up with garlic as well, so we keep it in the same sort of area. And then once we get this one out, we'll probably put our leftover onions and shallots that we've got in this one. Keep it all sorts of similar varieties of things close together. Now we've got all of these 11 beds in, we've got lots of options for growing. We've got quite a few seed potatoes left to put in, as I've got a full box of new potatoes that have gone to sprout to plant. We've got quite a few different Maris Pipers and second earlies to go in as well, so probably fill a good half of these with potatoes, and then the rest we'll see. Probably start some spring onions, pickling onions in these ones, and then once we've got all of this planted up, we'll show you something special which we'll be doing with these no-dig beds at the back, so we can grow potatoes in them even though it's only 6 inches deep of soil. So stay tuned for that in the next video. Just got this last little pile here to rake out down the side of this bed for today, and then we're done. So yeah, half the market garden is complete now. I'm assuming we'll have to do a few minor bits of weeding for the tougher grasses that managed to poke their way through this pile of chippings we've got between each bed, and then any stronger ones we'll apply a bit of vinegar to. Hopefully that'll finish them off. Other than that, we shouldn't have too much to do to this now other than plant it and install our irrigation system. Right then, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. If you're not already a subscriber, please do so. Until next time, bye bye.